Is your cappuccino machine making a grinding noise when dispensing product? Check your mixing components to see if they are installed correctly. Here is the problem. The hooks on the chamber mount are broken, causing the mixing chamber to migrate. Push on the mixing chamber to get it flush with the chamber mount. No more grinding. This broken clip offsets the mixing chamber, causing it to not seat properly. Any damaged parts will need to be ordered using our replacement part ordering guide on EG Insight. Locate the search bar and type in replacement part ordering guide. Select the first link. Open the PDF and scroll until you get to the Cappuccino section and locate your model. Locate the part that needs replacing for your unit model. When you have the part number from the guide, place a parts order in service channel using the part number in the guide. The new part will be shipped to your store. Replace the damaged part on your unit.